You're strong.
Does your apparel stand out from the competition? Get ready for the ultimate statement piece that screams confident. They Not Like Us Transfer. This piece features bold typography and stunning high fashion graphics with unparalleled detail. Perfect for trending apparel, this design is guaranteed to draw attention. It's a must-have for shops catering to modern, confident streetwear looks. We offer two options. Choose Eco Solvent for the most vibrant color and durability, or Sublimation 3-packs for amazing value. Stop searching for average designs. Grab this unique, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunctions.com and upgrade your inventory today. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2-3 times a week. See you in the next video.
You're strong. You're strong.